Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So I was actually browsing around on Amazon and came across this Forza Motorsport Hot Wheels set. It is a Hot Wheels premium set and it has 5 different cars. There's the Lamborghini Gallardo, the 2016 Ford GT Race, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Morris Mini, and the Nissan Silvia S15. So I got super excited, and as you can see, that Lamborghini Gallardo there across the front of the box, that Superleggera. And I got pretty excited, and these were on sale. So there is a link in the description down below. It's for Amazon. You guys can go pick up this set as well. So definitely go check that out, because I don't know if they're going to be on sale for a long time, or maybe they're just trying to get rid of older inventory. I feel like I've seen these out for a little while, but just at the time never really had interest in picking one up. But since they were on sale, I'm like, yeah, what the heck, let me pick one up. And here we are to go ahead and open it up. So like I said before, they are the Hot Wheel Premiums. They have the Real Rider tires. But let's go ahead and open it. There is 4 pieces of tape around the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that open on all of them. Or on all the sides here. There we go. And sets like this are kind of made to be cut open. Are ones I do open up when it's like regular carded Hot Wheels. I do not open those at all. But let's go ahead and see. The lid is a little firm. There we go. And there's the cars right there. As you can see, they're just sitting there in the plastic, and you can literally just grab them and pull them straight out. So you're not damaging any packaging, which is really cool for sets like this. But wow, all these cars look absolutely amazing here. There you can see like the Lamborghini, the Ford GT, the Porsche 911, the Morris Mini, and then the Nissan Silvia. All 5 of these look absolutely incredible. And as you can see, they do have like the Real Rider tires on them. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them out one at a time. We're going to take a look at them. I do want to start with that Lamborghini, because this thing looks incredible. But I just absolutely love Lamborghini, especially the Gallardo Superleggera. This one has like an Xbox One theme on it, because Forza Motorsport is from Xbox. Obviously the Real Rider tires, the metal bottom, metal top, like all the decals on it just look really cool. I'm also a huge fan of cars that look like race cars. So seeing like this right here is like one of my favorites. And this is the main reason why I bought this set, because I wanted to be able to have this Lamborghini. So we're going to go ahead and set that right here and go on to the next one. I'll pull out the Ford GT, which this thing looks also absolutely incredible. It does have like the Xbox logos there on the front, the Forza Motorsport logos. And I really like that color scheme with the white and orange in the front, and then the whole back end being blue. And then it has that crazy diffuser and wing there in the back. And everything about this car just looks so cool. A lot of attention to detail that they put into this. Like, wow. Especially, like I said, with all the decals. This looks really incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and set that right there. Next, let's do the Morris Mini. So obviously the little Mini Cooper. And then the entire roof has that Forza Motorsport across that, which looks really cool. And something I am seeing is there's a little lock and unlock on the bottom. So let me move it to the unlock position. And when you flip it to the unlock position, you can actually take off the entire top of the car. So you can see there's one driver's seat, and it's right-hand drive. It looks like there's a little fire extinguisher there on the passenger side floor. It's a plastic internal with a metal base. And then obviously like you got the numbers on the side, you got the race stripes, obviously the Forza across the top. This is a really cool car. And the fact that there's that little lever on the bottom where you can pull the lever and then be able to take off the entire top half of the car is pretty surprising. Just having the car back to how it is. This is an incredible car. It looks absolutely amazing. And people who love Mini Coopers obviously love the Morris Mini, since it's the kind of old school original. So we're just going to go ahead and set that right here behind the others. And let's pull out that Nissan Silvia, and actually has a little bit of plastic to protect it because I guess maybe parts of it might damage the packaging. But this does have like a little bit of extra weight to it compared to the other cars. It has like a really cool Forza design that kind of goes down the side of it. The whole thing is finished in a really nice like light blue. But wow, this is an amazing casting. I love these bronze wheels on there that just look really good with the blue as well. And it's a little bit more subtle than the others. It's not all crazy and wild with all the designs, but still kind of has some really cool designs on it, which I think look really good. And then just like that balance with like the wheels and everything make it look amazing. But let's go ahead and put it right there in the lineup. And let's pull out the final car, which is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And as you can see, it's like silver, almost like a Zamac car. And it has like that red roof, hood, and the entire bottom of the car is red. So you can kind of see that there in like the side skirts and the front splitter. Got a little bit of red across the top of the wing. Once again, this is a little bit more subtle compared to the others. It just has the Forza logo on the doors, and then it has the GT3 RS logo going down the side. And then just across the top of the wing is the only place that there's other decals other than the little Porsche decal on the hood. But I think this looks really good. The black wheels on it actually, to me, look pretty good. The color scheme looks cool and kind of like it. And it's kind of cool seeing like a Zamac type car. And then the way it kind of has like a nice gloss to it as well looks really, really nice. What do you guys think of this entire little lineup here? And let me know down in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And like I said, if you guys want to pick up this case, you can see there's the cars there. If you want a better look, here's what the case looks like. And then obviously the front of the case, which is just a little box that just slides on. These are on sale on Amazon, so if you guys want to pick one up, definitely the link in the description down below. Go pick this set up because I think it's a really cool set, and being able to open cars and display them is what a lot of people like to do. It's not something I like to do, but there is something coming to this channel, kind of like a little display type thing. I'm not going to say too much more, but I definitely needed this Lamborghini, and I would love to have that with the display. So that's like the main reason why I bought this set, just because I didn't want to spend like the same price, buy a carded version and then rip it open. I could get this entire set, open it up, take the cars out as I please, and also be able to check out some of the other cars, because like I never really get to look at the cars or hold them and like really feel the true weight and look at all the little details. Also, the Morris Mini, I would have never known that you can just, there's a little lever right there on the bottom, the little black lever. You push it in, and then the entire top half of the car comes off. That's something really cool that you would have never known if you didn't take it out of a package or obviously get this set. But if you guys like this video, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.